Today we're gonna do the letter we call R. Okay. The letter R in American it makes three sounds. Okay. We're gonna talk about these three sounds today. It also takes three positions in the mouth. Okay. So what are these positions? Like example, the first R we usually use it at the beginning of words. So the position of it, this is the roof of your mouth, and this is the tongue. So let's do the first R. So this is gonna be like this way. Make sure you do a curve, a clear curve, okay? Please guys, don't judge. When you judge, you form a new sound called that's the L sound. So you need to be different between and okay. So that's the first sound. Like words like red, words like right, a word like wrong, okay, a word like road, okay. So these are the words you find the first R. Okay, let's go to the second R. The second R, most of us know it. We call it the control R or the bossy R. It's a bossy guy. Why we call it the bossy R? Because when a vowel followed by an R sound, it changes the sound to a new sound called R. Okay, so how do we do this sound? This is the roof of your mouth, and this is your tongue. So the sound gotta be like this way. All right. So find that it was like cur, okay, her, all right, stir. So find that it was like this way. Okay, we'll call it the control R. But don't worry, we're gonna do the control R today. Okay. Then let's go to the third R. The third R. Okay. For the third R, we usually use it in the ending of words. Okay, the ending of words. Okay, so how do we do it? The position in the mouth. Okay, this is the roof of your tongue. Okay, this is the roof, and this is your tongue. Okay, so this is gonna be like this way. All right. So how do we make the three sounds? Okay, the first one, make sure you cough. The second sound, okay. And the third sound, just light, your tongue just light, okay. All right. So these are the way we do these three sounds, okay. So example of the third sound, we use in words like later. People say later, okay. We use the words like water. People say water, okay. Words like daughter, we usually say daughter, okay. Words like matter, people usually say matter, okay. So in this case, you see that the word later, the T is replaced by the R sound. So instead of saying later, Americans are saying later. See water, the T is replaced by the R sound. So you have Americans say matter, okay. All right. Then Dora, the T is replaced by the R sound. Let's say Dora instead of saying daughter, okay. So remember this word: later, water, Mara, and Dora. All the T sounds are replaced by the R sound. There is a rule about it, but I have to teach you later, not now, okay. There is much to do, guys. So let's do our control R for today, guys. Let's proceed.
Yeah, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the control R or the bossy R in American English. Okay, if you want to speak like American, please try to master your bossy R or your control R. Okay, so today we're gonna do what we call the bossy R. So we have here A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels in English. Every time you see a vowel followed by an R sound, it change the sound into a new sound. So that's why we call it the bossy R, the control R. Like this sound gotta change to er, 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 so you see. Alright guys, so that's why we call it the bossy R or the control R, because it take over the vowel and form a new sound. Okay, so like example here, AR form a new sound. In the IPA it look like this in the IPA. Okay, so this gotta be so and it gotta give you all right. Also we have the OR. The OR also change to a new sound. The sound in the IPA look like this. Okay, if you check the IPA, you will see it sound like this. This is O. Okay, so this sound is called so the O and the they form all right. When you see IR, ER, UR, they makes the same sound. Okay, so like the sound in the IPA look like this. Okay, in the IPA it look like this. So this in the IPA is the all right. Sometime when you also found this ER at the end of words, okay, or even sometime in the means of words, you see it in the IPA like this. It's the same. Okay, so IR, ER, UR makes the same sound in American English. Okay, so guys, please take care of those things. These are very important. Okay, all right, take care of the sounds. The sounds are very important. With this sound you can overcome American accents. Okay, so be careful with your R sound. Okay, all right guys, let's proceed. So now we have okay, like example in words like cur, hers, her. All right, like a word like this: firm, corn, bird. All right, this one, stir. Okay, stir, horn. Okay, this OR make the sound or, so it's horn, turn, all right, burn, stir, girl, all right, jar, work, herd. Okay, herb, arm. All right, burn. Okay, shirk. Okay, shirt. Okay, shirt, hurt, serve. Okay, smart, to. That's a British English. America, remember this T, we take a flap T, so it's gotta be turtle. turtle. Okay, so this chain to flap the turtle, turtle, turtle. But don't worry, in the next video we're gonna do what we call the flap T. Okay, uh, the flap T is very important in American English. Okay, here we have what we call nurse. Okay, all right guys, more video to come. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. More love. Okay,
Please guys, just subscribe. Okay, there's a subscribe button down below. Just subscribe, hit the subscribe button, share. Okay, share guys, please guys, now for more videos to come. Okay guys, I love you guys, take care, much love guys. Okay.